So
over the long term.
on A for Addy, so what would you do to so what are some of the dive into that a little bit deep. So analyze what? So if you're working with a Course Creek client and I get what you're saying, you need to be purposeful. It needs to have a meaningful transformation. It has to be more than just here's what it is, but more here's how you do it and go a little bit deeper. So what would you do what would you do with a client to kind of dig in and get them to get you that information if you're needing to
You
pull that?
ask a lot of questions, a lot of why questions, like why are we doing this? Like what are you trying to achieve? Like why is the person taking this course? What are they trying to get out of it? So really kind of understanding what this journey is and where you're trying to get to, and being able to clearly articulate it. Like it can't be so broad and general that it's not like definable. Because what we want to be able to do is define specific outcomes. Like what are they going to be able to do differently after they finish this course? And,
Perfect.
and it can't, the list can't be so long that it would take a 4-year degree program to accomplish that. I mean, realistically, you got maybe a few hours at the most to kind of accomplish it.
Mhm.
So what can you do? What practical, tangible thing can they walk away with?
Right. Yeah, cool.